Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the gear. Charge the earbuds and case and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Power on the earbuds by following the model-specific press. Hold the button until LED blinks. This signals pairing mode. If you use the Jabra Sound Plus app, install and open it now because it simplifies firmware and codec choices. Once done, keep the earbuds within 1 meter of your phone to avoid pairing dropouts, and make sure other active Bluetooth devices are off so the phone sees them first. You now initiate pairing from the phone, open Bluetooth settings, and scan for new devices. When the Jabra model name appears, tap it to connect. The phone will show a connecting status because it exchanges security keys with the earbuds. If the app offers a guided pairing sequence, follow its prompts for firmware checks and optional permissions. Make sure to accept any pairing confirmation dialogues. Only enter a PIN if prompted, usually 0000 or 1234, because most modern Jabra models use secure key exchange without a PIN. Finish by confirming connection. Play audio and verify volume, left/right balance, and expected latency. Use the Jabra app to enable ANC, hear through, or choose the preferred Bluetooth codec because these settings affect sound quality and battery life. If the earbuds don't connect, reset them, hold the pairing button per manual, or forget the device on your phone and reboot it, then repeat pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: fully drain and recharge the case and earbuds if intermittent issues persist, since stuck states often clear after a power cycle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.